So here we have Realme Buds Q, and this one I bought it from Flipkart and Big Billion Day sale. I got this for $14.99 and the price here mentioned as $2,499. However, but right now I see this as $17.99 I guess in Flipkart, and the reviews are really good, and I see almost like 7 to 8k reviews there, which is having 4.3 rating. The build quality, even the performance, connectivity, design, everything got more than 4+ rating there. So let's see what's inside the box. Ooh. Here's the buds, white color. It's very lightweight, I can feel it. Right and left, cool. It got normal USB port, and let's see what all we got along with this. User manual, blah blah. Charging cable. This looks fine. Yellow color. Build quality looks pretty good. What else? Okay, buds. That's it. And I see the build quality is really good, and for the price range, even I tried using this, and the sound quality is really awesome. And the bass, 10mm bass, it's really amazing. If you see here, it is mentioned super low latency, 119 ms, 10mm bass booster drive, 20 hours battery life. Yes, the battery life is really good. I used it. The sound quality is really amazing. Coming to the calls, I feel like somewhere it's lagging, but fine. For that price range, I think we got more than what we are expecting, what I am expecting actually. Yes, instant connection, it working perfectly all right. Design, it's really good. That's a great job done by that designer. Yes, it's very light, and it's very handy, and you can keep it in your pocket and you can carry anywhere. Stay tuned, and I'm going to review next LG soundbar.